Hey guys, this is Bill from Thin Blue Lane. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe. We are currently getting our bearings repacked by Grim RV Repair. I'll let him introduce himself properly here in a little bit.
Hey, I'm Robert, R&V Mobile RV Services. We are on Facebook as well. Or you can look my wife up, Veronica Grimm, or myself, I'm Robert Grimm.
All right. He's a busy man. We'll let him get back to work.
Hey guys, Robert Grimm here. I'm with R&V Mobile RV Services. My wife and I started this company so we can help people. Today we're just here helping Mr. Bill and Miss Nancy. We did a bearing repack for them on all 4 hubs. Adjusted their brakes for them so be safe going down the road. Again, we are a true mobile RV service. We can go anywhere in the United States. Just give us a shout at on our Facebook page, R&V Mobile RV Services, as you see there. And or you can get a hold of us. My phone number is 214-564-7013. I do want to add that we do give a military and a first responders discount for any of you out there. We believe in it, and we thank you for your service.